Hello Highlanders, looking for a job? Whether it's an on-campus position, an internship, or a career after graduation, UC Riverside is here to help. Our first stop is the UC Riverside Career Center. They offer support for career exploration and job search help, resume review and interview prep, internship and research positions, professional headshots, and interview attire. Handshake is your all-in-one career platform. Through Handshake, students can find on-campus and part-time jobs, internships and research positions, full-time jobs after graduation, career fairs and employer events, appointments with career specialists, and workshops. Getting started is easy. Just log in, complete your profile, and start applying. Career fairs help you explore opportunities and connect with employers. While most focus on full-time jobs and internships, the Career Center also holds monthly pop-ups on its patio where students can meet on-campus and off-campus employers hiring for part-time roles. Make sure to bring your updated resume, dress professionally, and ask insightful questions. You never know who you might impress. Not all jobs are posted online. Professors, TAs, and campus departments often hire students for research or lab positions. Don't hesitate to ask. Need professional clothing? Visit the Our Professional Career Closet for free attire. Now that you know where to start, take action. Visit the Career Center for expert guidance. Log into Handshake to explore jobs and internships. Attend career fairs, workshops, employer events, panels, and talk to professors for hidden opportunities, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to your dream career.